In today's video, let's see the fourth part of regulation for emergency training and drills. The link to the previous parts are given in the description. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 3 Life-Saving Appliances and Arrangements, Part B, Requirements for Ships and Life-Saving Appliances, Section I Passenger Ships and Cargo Ships, Regulation 20 Operational Readiness, Maintenance and Inspections. Marking of stowage locations. Containers, rackets, racks, and other similar stowage locations for life-saving equipment shall be marked with symbols in accordance with the recommendations of the organization, indicating the devices stowed in that location for that purpose. If more than one device is stowed in that location, the number of devices shall also be indicated. Maintenance, thorough examination, operational testing, overhaul and repair of lifeboats, rescue boats and fast rescue boats, launching appliances and release gear. Launching appliances shall be subject to a thorough examination at the annual surveys required by Regulations I/7 or I/8, as applicable. Upon completion of the examination referred to in paragraph 11.1.1, subjected to a dynamic test of the windbreak at maximum lowering speed. The load to be applied shall be the mass of the survival craft or rescue boat without persons on board, except that, at intervals of at least once every 5 years, the test shall be carried out with a proof load equal to 1.1 times the weight of the survival craft or rescue boat and its full complement of persons and equipment. Lifeboat and rescue boat release gear, including fast rescue boat release gear and freefall lifeboat release systems, shall be subject to a thorough examination and operational test during the annual surveys required by Regulations I/7 and I/8. In case of unload release gear, operationally tested under a load of 1.1 times the total mass of the boat when loaded with its full complement of persons and equipment whenever the release gear is overhauled. Such overhauling and operational test shall be carried out at least once every 5 years. Notwithstanding paragraph 11.2.2, the operational testing of freefall lifeboat release systems shall be performed either by freefall launch with only the operating crew on board or by a test without launching the lifeboat carried out based on requirements for maintenance, thorough examination, operational testing, overhaul and repair. Davit-launched life raft automatic release hooks shall be subject to a thorough examination and operational test during the annual surveys required by Regulations I/7 and I/8. Operationally tested under a load of 1.1 times the total mass of the life raft when loaded with its full complement of persons and equipment whenever the automatic release hook is overhauled. Such overhauling and operational test shall be carried out at least once every 5 years. Lifeboats and rescue boats, including fast rescue boats, shall be subject to a thorough examination and operational test during the annual surveys required by Regulations I/7 and I/8. The thorough examination, operational testing and overhaul required by paragraphs 11.1 to 11.4 and the maintenance and repair of equipment specified in paragraphs 11.1 to 11.4 shall be carried out in accordance with the requirements for maintenance, thorough examination, operational testing, overhaul and repair, and the instructions for onboard maintenance as required by Regulation 36. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe to MarinAura for more such videos. If you have any queries or comments, drop it in comment box.